Okay, another interesting AI tool is text effects. Look at these effects. You can type your give your text with a black and white code. It means from the image you have to insert, for example, TutorialCells, white background and the black your text, and it gives you these effects. Interesting. You have to type your prompt very well and choose a style for that. Let's try, for example, first my text should be 3D. I have to tell, okay, first should be 3D and with this style, for example. With this style, we have a lot of style here that you can use. Just I want to tell should be 3D, and the mode, it's better to be in precision concept. And let it's keep my idea and a little bit creativity add to that. I explain them in the first videos for that. I activate details if you more add detail to your work, and the fast mode. Sorry for that. You have to be. I tell it always and always. You have to purchase a standard or pro. It's worth. It's not very expensive. It has a lots of interesting AI tool. It's worth. And then you can render 3 image, and let's what happened to our render. So these modes are very important, and you have to play with them to achieve your result. And sometimes you don't achieve your result. Okay, you can see I didn't change anything, just set the style and the mode, and just I tell, okay, text has to be 3D. Okay, let's try another thing. Text should be placed on a carpet or on a water, on a sea. Okay, let's try that and see. Mode I want to depth concept, light and shadow, style. I want to be on a sea, so let's see what happens. Something near to our prompt you have to select and see on a sea. Let's test that. Generate mode, precision concept. I like that. A little bit creativity, AI, mixing my prompt and style together and create new AI output. Yeah, let's see on the sea. Let's waiting for other. Wow. Okay, I like it more. The sunset. Wow, this is my nice. We can see you have to tell the PromeAI, okay, it has to be in the sea, and nice. I publish it. That I like it. Nice. So it's better to achieve select a style that's it's near your idea. My text should be on the surface of the table, and the light should be reached from the behind. My text should be glass. Let's test it. So choose jewelry. Choose the thing. Look, since it's from behind, this is near to my idea, and let's generate again. So your prompt has to be near to your style to achieve better results. I don't like that. I tell it should be on the surface of the table. Surface of the table. I don't like that. Let's enhance this to see what happened. Again, nah, I don't like that. I have to work more. Okay, mode, precision concept. Again, I think it's better. And again, without any prompt, I want to exactly that. In this mode that you add any prompt, you have to change the mode and the style together to achieve your result. It's a little bit close to the thing that I want. I hope I want more colorful. Yeah, if you don't add any prompt, it creates something like that for you. Let's bring something like that, mixing with flower. I like it. Mode, completely concept. It's creativity, adds lots of creativity to our work. PromeAI, satisfy me, please. Yeah, maybe. So in this case, style is very important. I want to mix into my text. Okay. Again, concept, something like that. Flower. You can tell flower and my text are mixed. Let's type it. Mix text and the flower together. Let's generate again. You have to work and work and work to achieve your result, but be careful about your coins and detail and fast mode. Nah, it's not mixing that together. Oh, I think it's mode bad. Precision concept and make it 2. So I think I have to tell it more about my work. A group, the colorful, whatever dancing. Wow. Nice. Let's generate again. If you click on enhance, I told you before, it's add a lot of other text to you. Something like this. I like it a little. Okay, you can add a lot of effect to your text. Let's bring exactly this. ProMe. Again, I think I have to reach the base settings. Text effect. ProMe. Style. Again, another style, for example, jewelry. That we have something like that, and generate. I think we have to use text something like this, bold text. I think you can see the bold text are doing well. I like it. So again, insert my image. Doing that. This mode. Do it again. I like something like this because it was bold image, bold text. It doing its job well. I think with TutorialCells it does not work well. You can see? Nice. If you are satisfied with other tools, for example, like this, you can see, you can click and remix it So if you go to the remix, it gives you the black and white style and the mode. Let's do exactly like this. And what happened? It's you can use the settings of the other people that you use in this case. So it works nicely. So you learn tall, long, and not bold text are not doing well, something like that. Let's just type TC and insert it again. Okay, I bring fat TC with exactly the style and other setting. It should be create something like this. That's right. Now, yes. So you learn because you have to use fat and bold text to doing its job well. Nice. Okay. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.